Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Chase Freedom easy tutorial step by step clearly. To scale with the Chase Freedom card, start by understanding its benefits. Review the different versions of the Chase Freedom card available. Choose the one that aligns best with your spending habits. Once you've selected a card, apply online through the Chase website. Fill out the application form with your personal and financial information. Wait for the approval decision, which usually occurs quickly. Once approved, set up your online account to manage your card. Familiarize yourself with the rewards program and categories. Make note of the rotating categories each quarter. Plan your spending to maximize rewards in those categories. Take advantage of any sign-up bonuses by meeting the spending requirements. Consider using your card for everyday purchases to accumulate rewards. Stay aware of any limited-time offers to optimize your earning potential. Ensure you pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Track your rewards through the Chase app or online account dashboard. Explore additional features like cashback offers and discounts. As you use your card, build a strategy to increase your limits over time. Request a credit limit increase periodically as your financial situation improves. Monitor your credit score to ensure it stays healthy. Use your rewards strategically for travel or cashback according to your goals. Finally, maintain good financial habits to enhance your scaling opportunities with Chase Freedom. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.